Hey, Dennis. I have to video this. You're not coming out. No, get back. Get that under there. Oh. Hello. How you doing, Dennis? Hey? Oh, you on your ball? You show people how you play your ball. Hey? You show people how you play your ball. No, you want the rope, do you? There you are. You have the rope then. You want the ball or you want the rope? Hey, Dennis. Hey. Yeah, I was going to say, you show what you do with the bed. Yeah, that's your bed. There's your hammock. Hey? What's in your hammock now? Dennis? Dennis? Hey, Dennis. He knows I'm after him. He's just ignoring me. He's a cheeky ass.